So this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some excellent fuel efficiency, and coming with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, we have seating for three spaciously that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet and a USB and USB-C down there. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features or settings, your fuel economy, comp screen, and then you can also look at all of your maintenance information. But moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, let's see, radio and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. But then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls here, and then your climate controls, very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector here for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and on the other end you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box, which was already open. Then down here you have another cubby area with another USB and USB-C, as well as two cup holders, another larger cubby there for all your stuff, and your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious, does have a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room, including another USB and USB-C, so you have a ton of power charging options there. And just quickly looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.